Welcome back on my YouTube channel Monday to Monday. This week we're going to do a lot of things. Tomorrow I'm going to pick up a Sabb engine, a 1-cylinder low RPM engine. I got a plan with it, but that later. And I'm going to clean up the mess on my property. A week ago I asked you guys, do you want to see the progress in the workshop? And I hope that you want to see the progress on my property as well, because it's a mess. I try to do things between the recordings, but it's a little bit difficult. So in the process you're gonna see some upcoming projects and some new stuff. So enjoy this one. You can see a few jerry cans in my trailer. Mark and I picked them up yesterday for bilge water, so we can pick them up for free. I got some spare, so now I'm going to take them out. I brought my trailer to my workshop, that's right behind the camera, because I can throw junk in it and take it away to the dump. I am so frustrated with this freaking forklift. I can't get it to run right and it's so annoying. Anyway, let's go on. I'm going to tell you something about my progress. First, I got my forklift barely working. Then the brakes of my trailer were stuck. Then my fan wouldn't start. So started that, unstuck the brakes, got the forklift working, got the fan out of the way. Now I'm putting my BMW in front of my trailer. Now the freaking lights don't work. So my 1 hour job turned into 2 hours. Really annoying. I want my forklift to work, I want my fan gone, I want my BMW light connector to work. Oh my lord. So who can relate to this? Alright, it's still the same day. I got my mojo back. Yep. I'm getting sick and tired of machinery that doesn't work. So I'm going to make sure it's going to be taken care of. But for now, Jason and I are going to grab a lot of old wood that's behind my workshop and light it on fire. Just make a little bonfire. Oh, there he is. Can you say hi to your fans?
Wat zei je?
Wat zei je?
Wat zei je?
Wat zei je?
Nee, no.
Zeg, kan je gedag zeggen naar je fans?
Yes.
Zeg maar hello.
Hello.
Nu wil in de camera kijken.
Hello.
Well, that was an operation. Alright, so we got a lot of leftover wood of building the workshop and building our house and building all kinds of stuff here. And now it needs to go because I'm sick and tired of the junk. Let's go to work.
Ik zou door die rand van dat hek.
It's now the end of the day. I have been burning a lot of wood with the guys, Jason and his friend. And in the process I'm creating a lot of space behind the workshop. Sun is going down. We're still outside because summer is coming and it feels good. So I'm here with Jessica looking at the last flames of the fire. I'm throwing some wood on every now and then. And it's just a super zen, nice evening. See you tomorrow. It's the next day. I'm in Langendijk in a boatyard, standing next to a sloop. I think this is called a sloop everywhere in the world. So, a sloop. There is a Sabb 1-cylinder diesel inside this boat. And I'm going to take it out today. The owner of the boat is going to help me, or the other way around, I'm helping him. And in return I get to keep the motor. So this is a real cool motor. It's a small 1-cylinder diesel engine, low RPM. So really cool. And I hope to put it in a boat somewhere this winter as a winter project. Don't know the condition, don't know anything about the motor, don't know the type of the motor, don't know nothing. I can have it, so I can pick it up and see what we can do with it. cover off. There is quite a lot of water in this boat now. So maybe you can see it, the flywheel is rusted and it's just not high enough to flood the engine. So I think we're good. But I know a guy on the other side of Holland. His name is Twan and he knows all about this type of engines. So I'm not worrying. As usual, now I have to wait till Sil arrives. Alright, this is Sil.
Hey guys.
This is the owner of the Sabb diesel.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. So you saw us struggling to get it off, but we did. So it's off now. Now we're waiting for the owner of the yard with a forklift. Then we're going to lift it out and then we're waiting for Mark with the trailer.
Beautiful.
So the forklift is on its way. We're going to lift her out. Zo. Recht zo, die gaat. Jezus, wat een ruimte. Beetje die kant op denken. Heb je side shift? Ja.
Een beetje zijn zo.
Ik heb een heftruck.
Plantje strakker omheen.
Ja.
Dan,
Gaat je...
Kijk, iets aan hem. Voorzichtig voor de vingers. Geweldig. Hoppata. Nou. Oh nog. Ziet toch geen zand? Ken je dat filmpje?
It's end of the day. Mark just brought the Sabb 1-cylinder diesel engine. It's really dirty, so I'm going to put some degreaser on it and hose it off with my pressure washer. Enjoy. The worst junk is off. There's still enough on it, but that's the grease that protects the engine. So I'm going to store it now. Later this year I'm going to take this to a specialist who knows all about Sabb diesel engines, and then I hope to build it in a little boat this winter. For now, she's going to sleep. I'm going to store the engine now. Thanks for watching. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next Monday. Later.